This drink evolved from a cocktail called the Turf Club in 1870. This drink is the Martinez. What is the crack? Welcome back to the channel. My name's the Rusty Bartender, and in this series we're making every single cocktail in Steve the Bartender's cocktail book. And just letting everybody know, St. Patrick's Day is fast on its way, and I'll be doing a series leading up to St. Patrick's Day where I'm going to make 17 cocktails in 17 days. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. This is going to be good. So in the Martinez, it uses a base of Old Tom style gin, maraschino liqueur, sweet vermouth, orange bitters and Angostura bitters. As you all know, I'm an Irishman living in Australia, and for some reason I found Old Tom style gin very hard to get where I live. I even spent weeks on the internet trying to source some from like an online company. I just can't find it. The little knowledge I have about gin tells me that Old Tom style gin is a sweeter kind of gin. It still contains juniper, but it's just a little bit more sweet. If I'm wrong about that, let me know in the comments. But as a substitute, I'm just going to use plain old Gordon's, full of juniper, and I think it's a little bit sweet. Into a mixing glass, we're going to go 1.5 ounces of our Old Tom style gin, 3/4 of an ounce of sweet vermouth. The pop on that bottle was glorious. And a teaspoon of maraschino liqueur is recommended. Teaspoon, bar spoon, just short of a bar spoon. And then we go 1 dash of Angostura, 1 dash of orange bitters. We're gonna add ice and then stir for about 30 seconds. So let's stir for 30 seconds. Like and subscribe, and all that good stuff. I'll tell you what, this St. Patrick's Day playlist I'm making, it's going to be a banger, so definitely keep your eye out for that. Please and thank you. This is going to be good. Okay, we're going to grab a chilled glass for this one. And we're going to simply strain in. It's got a really nice wash line and a really nice color to this one. And garnish for this is just a little lemon twist. Express the oils over your drink as always. And twist. And there you go, guys, the Martinez. How does it look? As always on this channel, we give it a little sip and I'll tell you what I think about it. Oops, there goes my garnish. It's a really interesting drink because by the looks of it, you'd think you're getting sort of Manhattan vibes coming off it, and to be honest, it uses a lot of the same ingredients which are in a Manhattan. The juniper, maybe it's because I used the Gordon's really forward in this. Sweet vermouth plays well. And you've got the bitters, spicy notes after that. Yeah, Martinez. It's a nice little gin sipper. Something different. I haven't actually had a Martinez before. This is definitely going to be on my rotations. Cheers, folks. Martinez.